people, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to show us how to withdraw on Mimi Live. All right, so once you reach the minimum withdrawal, which is 185,000 points, you can withdraw. It is $10. So you click on me, you click on your point. Yeah, once you click on your point, then you click on withdraw. If you have not set it, then you set your payment method first. Click here. It will show you the payment methods. You have USDT TLC20, you have GoPay, we have Dana, we have Ovo, we have Shopee Pay, and we have Link Aja. So anyone that you are using to withdraw, you bind it. Okay, so for me, I am using USDT TLC20, so I've bind my own. You just click bind, then you put in the wallet address or the bank information. All right, so once you bind it, you're good to go. So let's click back. I have $10 here, right here. As you can see, it's $10.33. I don't have any unconfirmed point. So okay, so withdrawal amount, withdrawal fee 100k. Yeah, 100k lesser to 3,200,000 is 1.5%. So diamonds cannot be withdrawn. Service fee may vary depending on the payment method. Please choose a suitable payment method. So choose a suitable payment method that will not take too much charges. All right, yeah. So once that is done, when you are setting your payment information, they will request for you to set in your withdrawal password. All right, so you set in your withdrawal password, you put it the first time, and they'll ask you to re-put it again. So once you do that, you are good to go. All right, yeah, then your withdrawal method will show here, just like my own is showing on here right now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on withdraw. So I'll be asked to put the amount. You can only withdraw from $10 through official, like I said. I'm going to put 10, and I am going to click on submit. Withdrawal amount $10. I'll click on confirm. Then they'll ask me to put my security password. Enter my password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my password. Withdrawal initiated. All right, so and the withdrawal is very fast. Are you seeing it? Exchange points 182,000. Withdrawal fee 2,730 coins. That is what they collected. Actual received amount $10. Payment method USDT. Okay, so their withdrawal is very fast. This is how much I'm having right now, $0.18. So let's go to message and check if they have sent me message. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this one is when I upgraded my weight level. So yeah, before I post this video, I'll also show you guys yes, are you seeing it? You receive a deposit of $10. I told you guys their withdrawal not the worst time. Are you seeing it? You receive a deposit of 10 US dollar, which is 13,755 naira, has been credited to my spender wallet. So guys, this app, their withdrawal is very fast and easy. Very fast and easy. If you have not joined this app, I don't know what you're waiting for. Join now and start grabbing their amazing reward. Okay, when you live stream for 1 hour, you get 20k. When you live stream for 2 hours, you get another 20k, making it 40k. So you will get up to $3 daily if you perform all the tasks here. If you perform all their tasks here, you get massive earning. You get up to $3 every day. These are their taxes. All right, so you can go to my previous video and watch how to perform tasks, how to register, how to perform tasks, and do everything on this app. All right, so with no further ado, let's call it a day. Bye bye guys. You have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to this channel, because oh my god, back to back updates they land every time now. Bye bye guys, see you all in my next one.